Here's what I ate today. Breakfast was this overnight breakfast cookie and then a side of coffee using my Nespresso machine. Yummy! Lunch was a big salad plus a side of tea, and I had these amazing grapes that added so much flavor to the salad. First snack were these Medjool dates that taste like caramel to me, and this apple. For dinner, I had frozen buckwheat groat pudding. It was chocolate, and I like it frozen because it comes out with more of a gelato consistency. Absolutely delicious. Second snack were a couple of rice cakes, all topped with peanut butter. One had chocolate chips, another had jam, and the last one had raisins. I always drink a lot of water throughout the day. I keep this tumbler next to me filled up. Keep that skin hydrated. And then I had a little sweet tooth, so I had a couple of pieces of this oat milk chocolate from Lindt. So good. What did you have today? Let me know in the comments.